Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering. Today, we are exploring battery maintenance and efficiency, focusing on how you can master diagnostics to protect your system's integrity. Let's start with the lead-acid core. These batteries convert chemical energy into electrical energy, utilizing a lead anode and lead dioxide cathode, with dilute sulfuric acid serving as the electrolyte. The chemical cycle consists of two phases, discharge and charge. During discharge, acid reacts with the plates to release energy. During the charge phase, an external current reverses this reaction, allowing the plates to absorb the acid and store energy. How do you know when a battery is fully charged? Look for three key indicators. Voltage reaches a stable peak, the electrolyte produces gas bubbles, and the specific gravity hits its maximum density. For routine maintenance, technicians use a hydrometer to extract and analyze electrolyte fluid. By measuring specific gravity, you can easily identify if a battery is discharged. When charging, you'll encounter two primary methods. Constant current chargers keep the current steady while voltage rises, whereas constant voltage chargers maintain a steady voltage while the current naturally tapers off over time. Sulphation is the enemy of battery efficiency. In a healthy state, clean plates allow for maximum electron flow. However, in a sulfated state, hard crystals block plate pores and increase internal resistance. Avoid overcharging at all costs. Overcharging boils the electrolyte and generates excessive heat, which can warp internal plates and cause the battery to waste energy rather than store it. To maintain your battery, follow these best practices. Clean terminals regularly, check your electrolyte fluid levels, and be mindful to avoid deep discharge cycles. Beyond lead acid, there are alternatives like the nickel-iron, or Edison, cell. These utilize an alkaline electrolyte and a robust steel structure, making them highly resistant to physical damage and exceptionally long-lasting. For extreme environments, the nickel-cadmium battery is a rugged alternative. These cells excel under high vibration, survive deep discharges, and because of their unique chemistry, they completely avoid the problem of sulphation. More advanced technologies exist as well. Silver-Zinc is used for its high power density, solar cells provide constant environmental energy, and fuel cells efficiently convert chemical streams into electricity. This comparison matrix highlights the trade-offs between technologies. Lead acid is low cost, while Edison and nickel-cadmium offer higher tolerance to vibration and zero risk of sulphation at a higher price point. Your choice of battery is dictated by the application. Lead acid is perfect for the cost-effective starting of automobiles, while the rugged durability of nickel-cadmium makes it the standard for aircraft. Remember, efficiency is maintenance. As a technician, your proactive care protects system integrity and guarantees long-term performance. Thank you for watching.